Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another quality tool that I would like to show you. This one is special because I got it as a present from my boss, and this is just a standard box from Leatherman. The inside of the box you have one sticker, your user guide, all the tools that are present. This is the mother rebar, this is the mother wave. This is a nice bonus that I got with the tool. Not for climbing, of course. The bottle opener. Nice carabiner. Quality nylon sheath, as always, from Leatherman. I really highly emphasize the quality of these tools. I'm a big fan of the brand and really use them in my EDC. Today we'll be talking about the Wingman. So this is a nice full-size tool. As you can see, it is fitted with a pocket clip, which is always good if you want to carry it maybe inside your pocket, clipped to the pocket, and to be your one tool, one knife, all around tool. So it is always too good to have a pocket clip. Not all Leathermans come with a pocket clip. So just open it really quickly. You have nice spring pliers, which is always good. Some tools are accessible from the inside, like we have here your screwdrivers, bottle opener, file, and also really nice tool to open packages and clamshells. And also, to be more practical for your day-to-day use, you have your main blade, or I should say only blade. Some of the tools from Leatherman come with a secondary blade inside. This is, in my opinion, really good thinked through, because you have your locking blade accessible from outside, so you can use it, as I mentioned, as your EDC. Just take it out and use it right away. You have a standard 440 or 420. I'm not remembering right now the blade steel. Probably 420. Also, really nice EDC tool are the pliers. Oh, sorry, tweezers. So really nice size tweezers, spring loaded, of course, and locking, which is also good to see. So if you like, you can put some kind of cord through this if you want to use it inside your gear, inside a pouch. You can probably also, as I see it, take down the pocket clip if you don't like it. Just unscrew this screw here. So really great tool with tons of functions. I will not go through them all. Don't want to be this video too long. I will put them inside the description box. They will also give you a nice pouch if you want to carry the tool on your belt so some prefer it this way. Also give you a option to carry it just directly on your pocket, pants pocket, and also give you a nice bonus. I don't know if all Wingmans come with this bottle opener, or this was just a bonus that the seller did put inside the box. So yes, they come with a great warranty, and if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.